32-year-old Matthew Boyd had a sore throat and sinus congestion when he found out he was positive for COVID-19 on Friday, May 6th. The next day, he started taking Pfizer's COVID antiviral pill, Paxlovid. After finishing the medication series that following Wednesday, Matt felt COVID symptoms coming back.
So the Wednesday, the 11th, I stopped taking it. And then by Friday, I had the rebound effect because my symptoms started coming back. But the first day off it, I felt kind of iffy, pretty mucousy, pretty sick again. A lot of pain, I'd say.
Paxlovid is an oral pill that can be taken at home for patients at high risk of severe COVID illness, and it must be taken within the first 5 days of feeling symptoms.
Matt isn't the only patient seeing this rare rebound, but experts say that reoccurring symptoms are possible, and most likely nothing to worry about.
This Paxlovid rebound that everyone talks about, it's really just a mild recrudescence for 2 or 3 days. Maybe we'll make some modifications, but the FDA is currently still recommending 5 days. That's what's studied. That's what's doing what we want it to do.
And the reason for that is not totally clear. Many people think that when you start the medication early, which you should do because it works best then, that you don't give the immune system time enough to recognize the pathogen and start making appropriate an immune response. In terms of how it affects people, they get better. They do not need to retake the course of Paxlovid.
This drug has been labeled a game changer during the pandemic, and doctors recommend those eligible to take it, especially as New York City is experiencing a fifth wave fueled by Omicron subvariants.
What is interesting is now that we can all test, now that we can do home tests, people do their antigen tests. They say, oh my gosh, my antigen test is positive again. The interesting thing that I don't think a lot of people realize is whether you take Paxlovid or not, same percent of people are going to have that 2 to 3 day where they don't feel great and they test positive again.
Meanwhile, the White House top medical advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says that Pfizer and the National Institutes of Health are planning to study whether patients may need to take this medication for a longer period of time. For NBC New York, I'm Linda Gaudino.